Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, coming to you live from Bangkok, Thailand, guys. We've got a great time to be alive, and we got lots to talk about in this video. And we could be seeing that there's a huge crypto reset that's about to happen. A lot of people are talking about it, and I believe that we're going to see a big, huge reset coming. We're seeing that inflation is going crazy, recession is here, even though Elon Musk is denying that a recession is here, but it's absolutely going to be here, guys. And we're seeing the absolute collapse of fiat. We're absolutely seeing the collapse of traditional markets. We're seeing that right now. We have the earning report that are coming out, and I expect that most of the earnings are going to be down, down. The only thing that's going to probably be going up is going to be commodities like gas, oil, these kind of things. But you're going to see a lot of the tech stocks are going to be dumping, and a lot of tech stocks are going to be going down, down. So we got lots to talk about, but I believe that this is the beginning of the global reset. Some people are saying that Bitcoin could go down to 6,000. It could. Bitcoin could go down to 10,000. It could. And we're seeing that Bitcoin right now is forming a huge bull flag right now, and this could actually push Bitcoin down to 19,000, or if we get lucky, we could have an upside to 25,000. But we're going to see a huge reset. So the best hedge against inflation right now is Bitcoin. The best hedge against inflation is cryptocurrency out there, and it is a great time to be alive. So if what I'm doing is I'm loading up on Bitcoin, I'm loading up on crypto, I'm stacking the sats, and I'm waiting for life-changing wealth, because when we actually see the traditional banking systems collapse out there, the only thing that's going to hold strong and hold its value long term is going to be Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, guys. So that is what I'm doing. This is not financial advice. Everything you see here is not financial advice, just an OG in the house expressing my opinion. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, so everything you see here is for entertainment purposes. And if you're liking what you see, please go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, and show some love with Super Chats, guys, and become a member, guys. So let's jump into the content without any further delay. Let's go down the crypto rabbit hole together, guys, and do go back and watch all of my other videos, guys. And also too, if you are watching for the first time, do go down there, boop the likes, and subscribe one more time. And don't forget to become members, guys. Lots of stuff and lots of happenings out there. If you become a member, we have access to a private WhatsApp group, so you want to get in on that, guys. And we send hundreds of messages back and forth. It's a really good support group, guys, and we get some tips and tricks out there, guys. So get it while you can. So let's take a look at what's going on with the pre-markets right now. So the pre-markets are looking pretty good. We're seeing green right now, but there's no telling that we could actually see a reversal coming in. As I said, we have a lot of the earnings reports are coming out today. We have Google, Alphabet, Microsoft coming out tomorrow. We have Apple and Amazon coming out on Thursday, and I expect that we can probably be seeing that most of these stocks are going to be tanking out there, and that's going to put a lot of scare and a lot of jitters into the market, guys and gals. So from that perspective, it is what it is. Right now, if we take a look at the heat map, we're seeing that Bitcoin is down. It's down well below $22,000, and it's at $21,930. And we have a huge bull flag that's happening and forming for Bitcoin right now on the daily, and we're going to talk about that. What does that mean to you and me out there? And also, we're seeing that the big, huge reset is happening. We're seeing the collapse of fiat. We're seeing the collapse of traditional banking systems, and that is all going to be coming out this week, as we have the FOMC, we have the GDP that's coming out. Also, we have this new health emergency that is also coming out as well. So all these things are not helping as they're happening, and they're pushing down the macroeconomic environment, guys. So that is not helping. And then also too, we have the conflict in Ukraine with Putin, the madman out there. So what do we got going on this week? We do have, as I said, we do have the FOMC meeting that is going to be happening. That's going to be happening on Thursday, guys. So on Wednesday, we got the FOMC. We got jobless claims coming out as well. So that's not going to be held, and we also got the consumer confidence that's also going to be coming out as well. So these are things that we have to look forward to, and I believe that we're going to be seeing at least 75 to 100 basis points coming out. So if it does come out more than that, then that is not going to be good. So it looks like Bitcoin has to hold this bull flag support. So right now we have a bull flag that's happening, and if we cannot hold the support line, then we could see Bitcoin crashing to $19,000 in the house. So we do have this bull flag here. It looks something like that. This is the flagpole, and this right here is the flag. And from that perspective, we are seeing that we have a bull flag, and for the upside, we're seeing that this could go break out, and we could see ourselves going up to around about $25,000 in the house. But from the way I see things happening with all the earnings reports that are going to be happening, and most of those things are going to be negative. Look what happened to Snapchat; it was down like 39%. So I'm anticipating that we could probably see Bitcoin probably going down in this direction, and probably hitting around about 19,900 from that perspective. So we're seeing here that we have a really good support level here around about 19,900. If that support level doesn't hold, then we could definitely be seeing ourselves going down to the next levels, which could be around about $17,000. So that is from my perspective another support level that we've hit around about here. I believe is another huge support level around about $18,000. So that's going to act as support around about $18,000. So that's what I'm thinking. What are you guys thinking out there? So I think our next support level is around about here from that perspective. Let me turn it green. So we just have to keep an eye on that. Definitely, we're going to see a lot of the earnings are just going to be poo-poo schmata out there. It's not going to be good, boys and girls. So get prepared, buckle up, and let's see what's going to happen. So also too, we're seeing that weird stuff is happening for Ethereum. We did see that Ethereum over the weekend did break up past around about 1640, and then it dropped down to 1540. The trading crowd continues not to believe the hype and expecting prices to fall into the FOMC meeting. Ethereum should continue to stay volatile. So we're going to see a lot of the cryptocurrencies going to be absolutely hugely volatile until after we finish this week. So this is really a big make it or break it week. Coffee time. So you guys just have to stay vigilant, and I wouldn't really be doing much. I would definitely be keeping an eye on the Bitcoin pattern and waiting to see if we're going to break the upside. But I'm pretty sure about 70% that we're going to be breaking the downside, because I don't expect, as I said earlier, I don't expect these earnings to be very good at all. We're going to see most of the tech stocks are going to actually be dumping. We're seeing China's Supreme Court to conduct research into cryptocurrency to protect investors' rights. So we're seeing that China's now looking at basically calling cryptocurrency property and having the same rights as property out there. So that is pretty positive, even though they were one of the Debbie Downer bannings. We're seeing that the Lightning Network capacity broke a new all-time high out there. So that is pretty good. We're still seeing that there is growth in the network, so that is positive. And it looks like Starlink is now available in 36 countries, so that is going to be positive because a lot of people have to understand, if we have this huge network failure, the global catastrophe, aliens invade, at least we still got the Starlink loads to be able to access the networks and access our crypto, guys. So from that perspective, it is what it is. And this is also interesting. You see that internet users in 1997 we had 140 million. Internet users in 2007 3.7 billion. Bitcoin users today is 140, and Bitcoin user in 2032, big question mark. Could it be more than 3.7? And that is why I'm saying that we are at the beginning. We are at the cusp of something fantastic. We're at the beginning of the financial revolution, and we're at the beginning of the reset of the financial institutions. We're at the beginning of the reset of fiat currency, and I believe that blockchain technology is going to take over the world, and it's going to be the dominant force that's going to be driving the finances forward in the future. Web3 and all this stuff is going to be strong. So it looks like Bitcoin is ready for a massive bull run. 3 breakouts of 3 bullish patterns. So this is from TA Anos, and he's saying that we basically have 3 targets if we break out this bullish pattern. Target 1 is 26.3K. The second target is 47.5, and the third target is 67.8. So we don't anticipate these targets, these huge targets, coming until the end of the year. And don't forget that the government's going to be off till September once we have this whole FOMC meeting at the end of this month. So from that perspective, anything can happen. I believe that September is going to be the huge pivot point when the government comes back to work, and we're going to see that the Fed's going to be printing more and more money. We're seeing that the USTD dominance is coming down and the Bitcoin dominance is going up. And this is often, we're seeing that USTD is inversely related to Bitcoin. And as we see the USTD Bitcoin dominance going down, we often see that Bitcoin is going up. So currently the US Tether dominance is breaking the ascending trend line, and a bull run is ahead. So guys, we could be seeing a bull run. The exact timing of that is still unknown. Let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies right now. We're seeing that Bitcoin is just below 2.59%. We're seeing that Ethereum is also down as well. It's still at $1,500, so that's okay from that perspective. We're seeing the BNB Bitcoin is down on 1.87% time recording, and we're seeing that ADA is also neutral. We might get a bit of reversal, but if you take a look at the heat map right now, things are still looking a bit skittish. But you know, once these earnings reports do come out, we're going to see the stocks absolutely cave in the house from that perspective. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly right now. So Bitcoin right now is still above, it's just broken above 22,000 again, so that is pretty good, and we're just above the minor capitulation line. It's anybody's guess. I have a feeling that we're probably going to have a red candle close for this week, guys and gals. So right now, for the price of Dogecoin is still holding my support level. So hopefully Dogecoin can continue to follow the support level to the upside. That would be pretty peachy keen and fantastic. And I think what we're seeing, this whole area of confluence here between the downward sloping support and upward sloping support. So hopefully this confluence area will hold, and we will see Dogecoin get itself up, guys. So that, but also depends on what's going to happen with Bitcoin. We're seeing Ethereum right now. Ethereum is also going sideways right now. So we're seeing that you are still. Basically, we're printing higher lows right now for Ethereum. We're kind of going on this trajectory, but we're having a little bit of sideways chop. Ethereum is kind of just been doing the crabby walk for the last couple of days, and right now Ethereum is at 1536 from that perspective. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu right now. Sorry, this is DXY. DXY is going down, so that is good news bears for all of us out there. And we're seeing that that Shiba Inu is basically having trouble getting above this resistance line, and it looks like it's trending in the downward trend right now. And worst case scenario, we could see anywhere from 10 to 8 coming in from that perspective. So we need Bitcoin to break out to the upside, but Shiba Inu is having a hard time getting above this trend line. Let's take a look at the leverage. Apes in the house right now. Give this a minty refresh. So we're seeing about $145 million worth of leverage apes been wrecked, and that is around about 54,000 traders. And we're seeing that on the hourly time frame right now. We're seeing about 88% longs. So that is going to put some more pressure on the Bitcoin, and the crypto prices are probably going to be going down. But we're seeing that the total market cap right now is about 103 trillion, and we're seeing that the volume is about 54.84 billion, and the Bitcoin dollars is going down, down. So guys and gals, do go follow me on my Twitter. We got 4,600. Let's get this up to 5,000. Go down there, smash the likes, subscribe, book the likes, and don't forget to give some love. And guys, get your crypto off freaking exchanges and lending platforms. Follow my Nano Ledger affiliate link. I would appreciate it, guys. It doesn't cost you more. It does support the channel, guys and gals. Do get the merch, guys. Get the cup, get the mug, and it's a great time to be alive. And from that perspective, I just want to say I love you guys very much, and it's a great time to be alive. And you know, we just have to see that, you know, hopefully this crypto contagion is over. I'm hoping it's over. You're hoping it's over. So I just want to say God bless you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a beautiful day, have a great day, be prosperous, and guys, don't panic, dollar cost average, and don't blow your load, don't be a weakness, don't wet the bed. I'll see you next one. Peace out.